Hi guys, I'm going to be making some really fun and easy Jell-O marshmallow roll-ups. These are perfect for the springtime. Really great little sweet treat for the kids. Springtime when the weather gets warmer. We just love Jell-O. I'm going to make two different colors of these roll-ups. I'm going to do a raspberry and a lime. So I have green and like a pinkish red. And the marshmallows will be on top. And when this all sets up and cools, the marshmallow will rise and I'll roll them into like a little pinwheel, and they'll be so cute, so festive for Easter, a perfect little Easter treat. If you guys are looking to make something for the kids or adults also, these are so good and really, really easy. I'm gonna make them up and I hope you guys love them. I hope that you're having a really good spring. It is finally starting to get a little bit nicer weather here in California. We just had so much rain this year. So we are gonna be doing all kinds of spring fun recipes to get into the spring spirit. So I'm gonna make these roll-ups. They're really easy, you guys, so check them out.
So like I said, these are super easy. I have half a cup of boiling water, and then I have one of the small packets of Jell-O mix. I'm going to use raspberry for this one because raspberry is my favorite. I use the sugar-free Jell-O mix, but you can use the regular one also. So I'm going to mix it, make sure that the Jell-O is all the way dissolved. And then once it is, I'm going to add in 1 cup of marshmallows, and I just use the small marshmallows. And you might need to pop this in the microwave to heat up a little bit more to get the marshmallows to melt all the way. But I'm just going to put those in and let the marshmallows melt in with the Jell-O. And so I'm just going to kind of cover them, and then I am going to put these in the microwave for a second. So now I'm going to mix them all up and get all of the clumps of marshmallow all nice and dissolved and all nice and smooth in with the Jell-O. And once it's all mixed together, I am going to spray my Pyrex. I like to use the regular Pyrex. You can use a square one also, but the regular bigger one, it lets the Jell-O get a little bit thinner and it's easier to roll and easier to stick together. So I'm just going to pour it straight into my Pyrex dish, and I'm going to let it all just kind of even out and get nice and flat. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for at least an hour to set up. So anything less than an hour, these probably won't be ready yet. But when it sets up, the marshmallow part comes up to the top, which is really awesome. So I'm going to do a second color because they're really good. And so I have half a cup of my boiling water again. And then I'm going to do a lime this time. And I kind of realized I'm doing sort of Christmas colors and it's springtime and I wanted to do something kind of Eastery. But this is what I had, raspberry and lime. And even though they're red and green kind of Christmas colors, they're still delicious. So I'm going to pour in the Jell-O mix into this one and let it all dissolve into that boiling water. Once it's all dissolved, I'll add in the marshmallows again, let those all melt and put it in the Pyrex dish and let this all sit for an hour, and then they'll be ready to roll up. Okay, so the Jell-O was in the refrigerator for an hour. I'm going to cut it into some strips. You can do kind of as big or as small as you'd like. but it's easier to cut before you start rolling instead of rolling the whole thing and then cutting it into smaller pieces. But I am just going to just cut the thin pieces and then roll them up, and they come out super cute. And I love that the marshmallow like rises to the top and gives it a little bit of a different color when it's all rolled up. So it's kind of like a little, I don't know, maybe like a little sushi piece, but Jell-O and marshmallows. And these are super cute, you guys, and they're really delicious. My kids love Jell-O and they love marshmallows, so this little treat is a win-win.
These Jell-O and marshmallow pinwheels are so fun to make, so festive for Easter, for any kind of holiday, for a good snack for the kids. Sugar-free Jell-O, of course, so these are awesome. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more fun, lots of Easter recipes. I do tons of holiday themed recipes, so make sure you click subscribe, click that bell button, and that'll give you notification each time I post a new video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. I hope that you guys are having a really great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.